It's your favorite financial advisor here, and today we're going to talk about some personal finance tips and advice to help you take control of your money and achieve your financial goals. So let's dive in. First and foremost, it's important to create a budget. A budget helps you understand how much money you have coming in and going out each month, and it allows you to make informed decisions about your spending. To create a budget, start by listing all of your sources of income and your monthly expenses. Make sure to include everything from rent and utilities to groceries and entertainment. Once you have a clear understanding of your cash flow, you can make adjustments as needed to ensure that you're living within your means. Another key aspect of personal finance is saving money. Saving money is essential for building an emergency fund, planning for future expenses, and achieving long-term financial goals, such as buying a house or retiring. To start saving money, try setting a savings goal for yourself and making a plan to achieve it. This could involve cutting back on discretionary spending, finding ways to reduce your fixed expenses, or finding ways to earn extra income. Some popular keywords to keep in mind when searching for information on saving money include budgeting tips, how to save money, and money-saving hacks. One way to maximize your savings is by investing your money. Investing allows your money to grow over time, potentially earning higher returns than you would get from a savings account. While investing can be intimidating, it doesn't have to be complicated. Start by doing some research on different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Consider working with a financial advisor to create a personalized investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Some popular keywords to keep in mind when searching for information on investing include beginner investing tips, how to invest money, and investment strategies. Another important aspect of personal finance is managing debt. Whether you have student loans, credit card debt, or a mortgage, it's important to have a plan for paying off your debt as quickly and efficiently as possible. Start by prioritizing your debt based on interest rates, and consider using strategies such as debt consolidation or balance transfers to lower your interest rates and simplify your payments. Some popular keywords to keep in mind when searching for information on managing debt include debt repayment strategies, debt consolidation options, and how to pay off debt fast. Finally, it's important to remember that personal finance is about more than just money. It's about your overall financial well-being. This includes things like having adequate insurance coverage, planning for retirement, and protecting your assets. To ensure that you're taking care of all aspects of your financial life, consider working with a financial advisor or planner who can help you create a comprehensive plan that takes into account all of your unique needs and goals. Some popular keywords to keep in mind when searching for information on overall financial well-being include financial planning, retirement planning, and wealth management. So there you have it, some personal finance tips and advice to help you take control of your money and achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.